Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a perfect T-bone steak in the oven. First, remove your T-bone from the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before cooking. Allowing it to reach room temperature ensures even heat distribution throughout the meat. Pat the entire steak completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step prepares the surface for a delicious, crispy sear, preventing steaming. Seasoning is key for flavor. Generously apply coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to both sides of your T-bone. Get your heavy, oven-safe skillet screaming hot over high heat, watching for a slight wisp of smoke. Carefully place the steak in the hot pan, searing it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. This rapid, high-heat sear creates an incredible, flavorful crust that locks in juices. After searing, immediately move your hot skillet, with the steak inside, into a preheated oven. Ensure your oven is set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent cooking. The cooking time will vary, typically between 6 and 10 minutes, based on the steak's thickness and your preferred doneness. Always use an instant-read meat thermometer to precisely monitor the internal temperature, ensuring perfect results every time. Take the steak out of the oven when it's approximately 5 degrees Fahrenheit below your desired final temperature. For example, remove it at 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Place it on a cutting board and tent it loosely with aluminum foil for 5 to 10 minutes. This essential resting period allows the steak's juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, guaranteeing a remarkably tender and juicy result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.